you for stopping by. Just wanted to share a little piece of our forest with you today. So today, if you felt rushed and stressed, trying to get everything done, if you feel like this is your moment to just grab your favorite drink, sit down, visualize yourself sitting right here next to me. And it really is amazing what can happen when you just take 3 deep breaths. And that's all you focus on, is just taking 3 deep breaths. So maybe we can do that together if you feel like doing that. Breathe in. Breathe out. That's our first one. Second. Just releasing stress, anxiety. And then one more. I feel better. How about you? So let's just take this time to just relax and just enjoy nature. Enjoy the sounds of the birds. Enjoy the sounds of chainsaws. People are getting ready for winter. So today, if it resonates with you, sometimes life moves so fast that we don't get to do any self-care for ourselves. And at the end of the day, we're so exhausted, all we could do is just go to sleep. So So maybe today, if you're feeling anxiety or stress, whatever it is you're feeling that makes you feel uncomfortable, just stopping and doing those 3 deep breaths. And just taking a moment for yourself to give yourself some self-care. Even if it's just putting your hand on your heart and just saying to yourself, I love you. You are perfect just as you are. And you do the best you can with what you know. Be well and know that you are so loved.